Hi everybody, I am on Minecraft and I will make a town today. I didn't make one yet, but today I am. So I'm going to go on E. And let's think what I need. I think I'm going to make a house. So I might need some of oak blocks. So let's make the town and get it done so we can play with it on maybe my 5th video. Because I'm a video making guy. I never been obsessed with Minecraft for my whole life. I love Minecraft. So today I'm going to be building something. It'll be hard, but I will take it as yes. And even though I am on camera, I will be making a town. And this does not look like a town or a house, because this is just the beginning of the house. You will see more. So next, oops, there we go. So this might take a long time for you. This is real Minecraft, not like those funny joke ones or anything. This is like real life. But, okay, I did something wrong. So, my Minecraft video will be outstanding. And if it doesn't connect, there we go. Good thing it's connecting. Then I won't be able to make this. And what happens if I don't get to make this? I can't make anything for you. And I will have to think of something to make. And I do not want that to happen. So I finished that part. And there we go. Now, I don't know why. It might be getting cloudy. I don't know what is happening, but it might just be getting dark. Or cloudy. Maybe because it's the shade. Yeah, it's because of shade. But anyways, everything will be good because this does not look like an ordinary house. I've seen this on all the Minecraft videos. Or, well, maybe not all the Minecraft videos, but I've seen this on like different towns or villages. This is like a village one, and it's my 3rd video I made. You might have seen 2, you might be 1. 2 is Sky Castle and Train, I think, for kids. And I don't know what the other one's called. But now I'm gonna have to. Where is the oven? Because this will be the kitchen. Okay, here it is. No, here we go. So this is where we will make our food at. And I'll put a little place of lava. Maybe like a little lava pool. Something about lava. But anyways, I think we are actually pretty good. This might make everything harder, so it could get more heat to cook.
2 more minutes, buddy.
Okay. I might not be able to finish this, but I think I'll be close to being done. So, oops, I'm gonna use this. I don't see any buckets of lava. But there would be some, but I guess not. That's fine, I might just put maybe some heat crispy lava blocks. That might be good. Cool. It keeps things hot and for us to see. And I think I'll put it stay here so everyone can climb up to see the lava and put stuff in it to make it cook and get its heat. And there's the heat. Never touch this on survival. Good thing I'm not on survival. But we might not be able to finish. We might be able to do some though. And the day is going down, so it might be a little hard to see. That'll be okay. Because I'll make this white, and if it gets dark, we could always look at our lava crispies, so it can show us light, because the lava crispies give us light. So I might not be able to finish. I might finish on a different day, but I'm glad that I got to finish this part of my house. This is maybe the house part where they can all eat. But I think the Minecraft video is over. Goodbye, and I think I'll finish it a different time, and so will.